Hello, my name is Paul, and I would like to tell you a bit more about the Factory of the Future scan. It is a tool which is a maturity assessment for the level of performance of your factory floor. It will guide you through 7 transformation areas. Some of them are technical, some others are non-technical. Amongst the technical ones, we have advanced manufacturing technologies, we have digital factory, but we also have human-centered organization transformation items and networked factory items. In total, you will be offered 51 questions, which each of them offering you 5 levels of maturity. It's upon you to choose that maturity level which corresponds best with the reality of your production floor. Now, why should you do this scan? It will assess your factory floor and the maturity of which can be benchmarked later on with the benchmark of another almost 1,000 persons who have done the same exercise. How to perform it? Quite easy. Once you have logged on the online tool, we advise you to start reading with every question the maturity level 3, the column in the middle. Take your time to read that statement. If you think you are at that maturity level, you can check mark it. If you're not yet there, you can go to level 2 and start reading that level. If you say, hey, I'm just beyond level 3, you can go one up and read level 4 and see if that is applicable to you. Quite easy. After having done the exercise, you can share your learnings with your colleagues. Because you will receive a diagnose which plots your answers in a spider graph versus the benchmark. You can maybe invite some of your colleagues to do the same exercise and compare their results with yours. You can also call upon us to help you prioritizing the actions which could give you a head start towards transforming your production floor into a factory of the future. Just let us know what you prefer. You will find our contact details in the exercise. Thank you for listening. Good luck with the exercise and maybe see you next time. Bye-bye.